Upright rows, this is going to stand up for those. So we'll do a dumbbell upright row. And again, just run around. Basically, your shoulder girdle is all up in here. Your traps and the rhomboids, all this area up in here. Rear delt, medial, the front up there. All this is what you're going to be supporting a lot with your pack. We do have the waistband on the pack, which puts a lot of the weight here on the hips. But you always are going to have to also use the shoulder to help support the pack as well. So, what he's going to do is he's going to do an upright row, then we'll flip around once you see the motion. He's going to bring the weight up. Working all this up in here. Medial, rear, the rhomboids up there in the trap. That's the smooth coming down. Alright, smooth turn around. Like so. Main point of this exercise, whenever you do this, not to lift so high you can get the dumbbells. Don't think about that. Think about how high you can get your elbows. And I'll let you know that you're going high enough. Good.